Should have been about an inch and a half high. That's close. So I was trying to get
Low right.
once I got out there,
Show you the course
first
of
shot,
fire.
number 4 is fine.
Gotta hit him
Number 2, I couldn't get the reticle
three,
steady
four,
on it.
5, and then along. Charlie, here we go.
You got safe?
Couldn't tighten up the
Yep.
sling.
I know, that's what.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Remember to put an apple in your pocket? Let's go, Charlie!
Low right. Just below it, Charlie. Just to the right.
That's the neighbor's
Hit.
good
Finished on the chip clear.
job.
Oh shit. You got the same issues that I do.
Cinderella boy. Looks like he's got about a.
Lock it back for me. Yeah, I see it. Go ahead and lock it back.
Yeah, I haven't gotten into reloading.
Sit back just a little bit.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
What's going on?
That's why you just sit back and do this.